Hey everybody, welcome back to Dad Does Videos. As you can see here, we are going to put in a Ring video doorbell today. First things first, as I zoom in here, we look at the setup steps. We're going to go download that Ring app. Okay, so before you want to actually set up your Ring device, you actually have to charge it. So the way you do that is, you can see the front of my Ring, you flip it over and you just gently press down on the top and it just kind of slides open, as you can see, or you can let it fall. But one of the cords that it comes with, this piece right here, if I can actually get in focus, is a USB plug-in thing on one end, and then you just plug this end into here and charge it up. Hey everybody, just a quick update on my charging. So when you plug this in, it'll just be flashing blue right here, and basically you can know the status of your charge because it basically makes a blue ring of light as it progresses. So when this is fully charged, I'll know because the blue light will go completely around the button. Okay, so I've got my app store up, and just like any other app, you go into that search bar, type in the name, and bring it up, right? Download that bad boy, and we're off. So this is what you see when you first open up the Ring app. Looks like we need to create an account. So we'll go ahead and do that and see what the next step is. So you'll go through the usual stuff. When you set up a new account, you'll get asked for your name, and you will set up, you'll use your email address and set up a password to set up your account. And Ring will send you that verification email, and then you'll get to this point in the app where you need to set up your location. So you'll verify your location, and then you'll get to a screen like this where we press set up a device to start the setup process. So we'll go doorbell, right? Sure, why not? And then what we'll do is, if you recall, when I showed you the outlay of things, you just scan that QR code, and we will say allow. Oops. Press and release the orange button on the back of your Ring doorbell. Okay, my Ring is still charging, but I'm going to go ahead and press the orange button on the back of the device, and let's see what happens. So I pressed it. Guess we'll press continue. As you can see, when I did that, the Ring device started making a white circle. So I guess that means something's happening, right? And I guess I press join here. It looks like it's joining the Wi-Fi network, the Ring Wi-Fi network. And after that, it just asks you to join your home's Wi-Fi network. So you put in you pick your network and you put in your password. And then you get to this point where it's basically telling you what to expect during the day, kind of like in a timeline view. So then it goes through what looks like an update of its internal software and tells you to wait until the light stops flashing. So we will wait until the light stops flashing and then press continue. Okay, so now we get to the point where we're actually going to put the Ring device up. The first thing that you have to do is measure 48 inches up
on wherever you want to post it. That's what Ring suggests. So we've already done that. The second thing is to grab the mounting piece that we took off earlier, and grab your level that actually came with your ring. You can see the bubble in there. And then simply you want to, there's one part of this that's like a little piece that, you can see it right there. There's a little hook on it. You want that to be the upper piece when you put this in. So you basically just pop this right in one of those holes, so then you have kind of a level. And what you do is you go outside and you put this against your, where you want to mount it, and you simply make 4 marks with a pencil. So those will be your marks where you're going to screw this in and then mount this to wherever outside by your door that you're going to want to do that. So we're going to go ahead and do that.
Okay, so we're outside and we've got our mount up there right now. I already popped the level outside of it, but we're ready to go. I'm going to go grab the actual Ring device and mount it on top. What we're going to do is try to mount our actual Ring device on the mounting things. What we have to remember is these go on these 4 clips, right? Down here and down here. So all you have to do, let's see, is push that in like that. And we're up and rolling. So the next part is there are 2, what I believe are 2 little holes. You can see them there on the device. So we're going to screw in our security screws. Using the actual screwdriver, just flip it around from the Phillips head that came with the Ring device, and that'll be it. Okay, so we've got our doorbell up. We're going to say we've installed our doorbell. It says you're all set. We're going to test it. Let's see. Looks like we're good. Optimize some motion settings apparently. Are there steps? A couple. Yeah, but we're not going to do that. Should I face a street? Yes, it does. Oh, it's quite a ways away from the street. We'll do continue. Could always do this later. We'll go with the standard, I think, because we don't know any better today, right? Let's see. There we go. Okay. If you would like to grant friends or family access, we'll probably do that. Okay, everybody, we have our Ring installed. So what I thought I would do is show you what happens when you get close to your Ring or get in front of it, how your phone alerts you to there's motion, and what happens when someone actually pushes your Ring doorbell. So I'm just walking to my front door and we're gonna get pretty close. Should start to see us right about now. And there's our notification. So I went into the notification after I opened it, and you can see me standing right there, which is kind of cool, right? What happens when you actually push your Ring doorbell? Let's get out of this. So I'll go up, let's see, press it. You can hear that. And then it says, someone is at your front door. And what you could do is you click on that. I didn't catch it real fast enough. But then there you can see me right at the front door. Kind of neat, right? Hope you guys enjoy your Ring. Goodbye.